Welcome to Alex Skill. In this video, we delve into the power of the best stump grinders on the market, showcasing their unique features and capabilities. Let's explore how these machines can transform your garden with ease and efficiency. Welcome to the wonderful world of stump grinders, where every stubborn stump must bow to the beast, known as the Vermier SC30Tx. Not just a grinder, the Vermier SC30Tx is a reliable companion on your journey to beautifying your garden. Compact and flexible design, the Vermier SC30Tx is a work of art in machinery design. With its compact size, the machine can easily maneuver through tight spaces, overcoming obstacles without needing a rescue team. Powerful engine. Equipped with a high-power engine, this machine can handle any stump, from the smallest to the most ancient ones. This powerful engine ensures that no stump can survive once it encounters the SC30Tx. Track system. With a robust track system, the machine can move on any terrain, from hard ground to muddy areas. The stability of the SC30Tx makes you feel like you're driving a real off-road vehicle. The Vermier SC30Tx is not only efficient in grinding stumps but also saves time. With just one pass, the stump is removed, leaving a smooth surface ready for any gardening project. One of the strengths of the Vermier SC30Tx is its ease of use. You don't have to be an expert, anyone can operate this machine effortlessly. The convenient handle and intuitive control panel make operating the machine simple and enjoyable. Once, the SC30Tx was brought to a garden where a stump was considered legendary. The homeowner had tried various ways to remove it but failed. After just a few minutes with the SC30Tx, the stump was turned into sawdust, leaving the homeowner and neighbors in awe. The Vermier SC30Tx is not just a tool, it's a solution for those who want a perfect garden. With its power and flexibility, the SC30Tx truly is a hero in landscape beautification. Meet the Carlton SP5014, a stump grinder with the strength and reliability of a true muscle car. The Carlton SP5014 not only helps you remove stumps but also makes the job fun and easy. Durable construction. Built with a sturdy steel frame, the SP5014 can withstand harsh conditions and long-term use, saving on maintenance and replacement costs. Easy control. The SP5014's control system is designed for users to operate easily without needing much expertise. You just need a few minutes to familiarize yourself and start working. Adjustable handle. With a flexible design, the machine's handle can be adjusted to fit all users, from petite individuals to the giants of the gardening world. The Carlton SP5014 is known for its quick and efficient stump grinding. The machine can handle large stumps at an impressive speed, saving time and effort. One of the highlights of the SP5014 is the comfort it provides. With an advanced shock-absorbing system, the machine operates smoothly with little vibration, ensuring the user does not get tired during the job. The Carlton SP5014 is more than just a stump grinder, it's a reliable partner for every gardening project. With its power and durability, the SP5014 is the top choice for those who want to remove stumps effectively and quickly. Welcome to the Bandit Model 2550. The Swiss Army knife of the stump grinding world. With its versatile design and superior performance, the Bandit 2550 is the ideal choice for both professional and amateur gardeners. Hydraulic controls. The Bandit 2550 is equipped with a hydraulic control system, allowing the machine to operate smoothly and flexibly on any terrain. Powerful diesel engine. With a diesel engine, the Bandit 2550 can operate continuously for many hours without any issues, allowing you to finish the job without worrying about frequent refueling. Swivel belt. The swivel belt design enables the machine to maneuver easily around tree roots and rocks, ensuring all stumps are thoroughly removed. The Bandit 2550 is famous for its quick and efficient stump grinding. The machine can handle large stumps with ease, saving time and effort for the user. With a user-friendly design, the Bandit 2550 offers a great experience. The machine operates quietly with low vibration, keeping the user comfortable during the job. The Bandit Model 2550 is an indispensable tool for every gardening project. With its power and flexibility, the Bandit 2550 not only helps you remove stumps but also brings joy and satisfaction to the job. Meet the Riko SG13Tx Jr., the mountain goat of the stump grinding world. With its excellent terrain crossing capabilities, the Riko SG13Tx Jr. is the top choice for those who have to work on difficult and uneven terrain. Track design. The Riko SG13Tx Jr. is equipped with a robust track system, allowing the machine to move easily on all types of terrain, from flat grasslands to rugged mountains. Compact size. Despite its excellent terrain crossing capabilities, the Riko SG13Tx Jr. maintains a compact size, allowing it to maneuver through tight and hard-to-reach spaces. Intuitive controls. The machine's control system is designed to be simple and easy to use, helping users quickly familiarize themselves and operate the machine with ease. The Riko SG13Tx Jr. stands out not only for its terrain crossing capabilities but also for its impressive stump grinding performance. The machine can handle large stumps quickly, saving time and effort for the user. One of the highlights of the Riko SG13Tx Jr. is the comfort it provides. The machine operates quietly with low noise and vibration, ensuring the user does not get tired during the job. The Riko SG13Tx Jr. is the perfect choice for those who have to work on difficult terrain. With its excellent terrain crossing capabilities and impressive stump grinding performance, the Riko SG13Tx Jr. is an indispensable tool for every gardening project. Welcome to the Husqvarna SG13, the elegant swan of the stump grinding world. With its sleek design and superior performance, the Husqvarna SG13 not only helps you remove stumps but also adds beauty to your garden. Compact and lightweight design. The Husqvarna SG13 features a compact design that is easy to maneuver and operate. It is lightweight yet powerful, suitable for both tight spaces and large stumps. High-speed cutting wheel. Equipped with a high-speed cutting wheel, the Husqvarna SG13 can grind stumps quickly and efficiently. The cutting wheel is made of high-quality material, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. Adjustable handle. With an adjustable handle, the Husqvarna SG13 is suitable for all users, from petite individuals to the Paul Bunyans of the gardening world. The Husqvarna SG13 is renowned for its quick and efficient stump grinding. The machine can handle large stumps with ease, saving time and effort for the user. With a user-friendly design, the Husqvarna SG13 offers a great experience. The machine operates quietly with low noise and vibration, keeping the user comfortable during the job. The Husqvarna SG13 is more than just a stump grinder, it's a reliable partner for every gardening project. With its power and durability, the Husqvarna SG13 is the top choice for those who want to remove stumps effectively and quickly.